Hello to our investor and all of our friends. Welcome to valuesnip.com. And here's our landing page. So you can create an account by clicking here or continue with Google and Facebook. As for today's tutorial, we're going to continue with Google. And please remember, we are not liable for any damages or any loss and gain to the use of this website. Please use this website as a tool and not solely for your investment. And for today's tutorial, we do not own any of the stocks and we do not recommend anyone to buy these stocks. It is just solely for example. So once you log in, you click on intrinsic value. And we're going to use 3M as an example. But before we do that, I just want to show you all the field here is empty. Okay, so we're going to use 3M. Click there. And we will get back to this in part 2. Gross profit, gross rate. And every time when you extract a company, it's going to cost you 1 credit. You will have free credit when you join, and you will get free credit weekly. So for this example, our extraction leads us to this error right here. We want to show you why the errors happen. So when you encounter this type of problem, there's one field that's missing, and if it's so important, it won't calculate for you, but this field is not as important. And if you know the number, just press it in. If you don't, you can still calculate it. And to go back to that window, click here and go back. So this is the average intrinsic value of all 3 calculators combined. We have roughly around 9 calculators. However, for the tutorial, I just want to keep it short, simple, and show you what our software can do. So right now the stock price for 3M is $152.96. The average intrinsic value is $130.05. For the intrinsic value and for the effectiveness of this website, you would like the intrinsic value to be 30% higher than the stock price trading. That will give you a safety margin of 30%, just in case if you did your homework wrong, or if there's any piece of information that's wrong when you were researching that stocks, you still have a safety margin which to protect you from losses. And we're going to give you one more example. We're going to try AFL, extract. So right now the average intrinsic value is 154.14, which gives you a safety margin of 70%. The stock price is 45.24. Free cash flow model will give you roughly 106. Discounted cash flow model will give you 324. Mr. Warren Buffett assumed model. It's not his model, but we assume it's from a YouTube video. It's $30. So for this, and my advice to all investors, we have to keep it conservative. We can't go with the highest one. Even with the middle one, it's still iffy. So I would recommend dividing this 2 together, add this 2 up, divide by 2, but mostly do your homework. Sometimes the calculator might say the intrinsic value is amazing, but once you look into the balance sheet, it's going to have a lot of depth there. And do never ever, just based on this calculator or any tools on this website to solely do your investment. Consult with your financial advisor, consult with other people, do your homework, and good luck. And we wish everybody profit from the market, and we hope everybody connect in this platform to share idea, to exchange idea, to help each other out. Thank you, and have a good day.